So if you're watching this video, that means you have created your first organization successfully on Mando. So congratulations, and we are very thrilled. This is a very quick walkthrough video. I will take you through the main features and sections within your organization/workspace. Maybe I should start telling you that with Mando, you can create multiple organizations under the same account. So if you are a media agency or a software studio, you don't need to create a separate account for each client. You can simply create multiple organizations under one account. So to manage your organization, just hit there. And here you can see your current organization, also the other organizations that you have access to. To edit your current organization and to invite other team members, you just hit manage, and here you can update your profile, upload your logo, change your organization name, and here you can add your team members. So I'm going to add Omar, and Omar must have received an email with an invitation to come and join this workspace for this organization. At the moment, with Mando, you get access to 5 essential AI business apps, including the AI customer service agent, and we will go through that in a separate video. Actually, we will go through each of the apps in a separate videos. The AI assistants, the help center, the newsroom, and the AI search. Let's move on to the content library, and you need to think of the content library as the fuel for your AI agent, and this is where your AI agents gets the brain power. At the moment with Mando, you can add data to your content library from multiple sources. For example, one of the sources is websites, so you can simply crawl your websites or your data knowledge that is hosted on a public domain, let's say. So add your domain name, and then you have the option to integrate it with your Copilot agent, and we will come back to that later. And then you integrate that data source, an existing application that you already created. So at the moment, we have already created just a test demo agent, and you click on that. You can check out the advanced setting, so you can decide whether to crawl the full website or selected URLs, or maybe just a specific folder. With Mando, you can create your data sources within Mando. So we have what we call internal articles. So you just click here, okay? And then you create, let's say, for Chelsea Cat, this example, Chelsea Cat's delivery. And then you simply, this is your checklist, and then you simply add a prompt and you give it a bit of context, and it creates the data for you. So create a helpful article using the below. As you can see, it created the article for you, and you just hit insert and it's done. And from here, you can choose which AI agent that will use this data to deliver answers from. Also, you can check whether you wanted this data as a part of the Copilot agent or not. We will come to that later. And then you click save. You will see, if you go to the content section, you will see the article that we just created here, which is Chelsea delivery. Again, also with Mando, you can sync your cloud services with your content library, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Confluence. At the moment, it's only upon requests. And of course, we support importing files directly from your desktop. So you simply hit on upload files, choose your document and upload. We have the OCR feature for PDF files that don't have text format. Simply hit upload. And then you have the snippets. I will talk about snippets in the AI agent video, so we will get to that. And finally, in the near future, we will be able to integrate your past conversations with your data library. So that's in terms of sources. So now, if you hit on content, you see all your pages in details. You can create folders or collection, and you have full control of your documents and the location of your documents. At the moment, you get 500 documents with your base subscription. When you go over your 500, you'll be charged on pay-as-you-go basis. Hit our pricing page and calculate your cost. So yes, as you can see, this is a website that we crawled, and you can see all the details from a crawled document, and you have full control in terms of the location of the document and on which AI agents that you want to integrate this document with. Let's move into your billing and usage, and here where you can check your current AI balance, and also you can top up your balance. Let's do one quickly. This is so now this has been updated and my card has been charged. Okay, you can cancel your subscription and check all your invoices as well. Also, as you can see, you have a full records of all your agents and output interaction. We detailed information on each query, your cost, and your usage. Let's move into the webhook, and this is where you connect your Mando apps with external tools, let's say Slack or CRM, and so on. My colleague Omar will go through a separate video to tell you how the webhook works and showing you some example. Other elements we want to explore on this page. So as you can see here at the top, you can access your AI balance. From here, you can switch between your apps. At the moment, I only have a test agent demo app. In the future videos, I will show you how to create new apps and also how to manage them. And one of the most exciting features in Mando is the organization assistant or the co-pilot, where basically, if you remember, when we were uploading our data sources to the content library, you can easily integrate them with your organization assistant, or actually you can just create a specific documentation or data for your organization assistant. And the purpose of the organization assistant is to give your employees access to your essential business documentation. Let's say you have a new human agent that you want to onboard very quickly. So the organization assistant has all the knowledge. Just imagine a ChatGPT specifically for your organization. Finally, this is here where you manage your notifications. Pretty much each action you take on the website, you receive a notification. So that's all for the walkthrough video. I hope that was quick, simple and easy, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask us. Thank you so much.